Hello friends, Sadiq Ali here once again. Today we are going to look into one of the most important chapters of your HSC Economics, Chapter 2, that is Utility Analysis. This chapter, if we learn with an open mind, it is very interesting and it forms the basis of the other chapters also. So let us study, let's go forward, and I hope that nobody will have any difficulties. I don't promise anything, it depends upon how you take it. If you already know something about it, I would request कि तुम अपने पतीले के बर्तन के अंदर जो खिचड़ी जमा है उसको खाली कर दो. Because even if you have very nice, मिट्टी, if I put water, then it will become chickad. So let us empty our minds and learn this chapter with an open mind, right? I hope all of you are with me. Can we begin? Okay. Utility analysis. In your textbook, it starts from page number 8 to 16. Regarding utility, we have already done it last year, but as I said, you should not know anything about it. So I promise, I keep my promise, and we'll start afresh. What is utility? Anybody? Utility means the want, satisfying capacity of a commodity. अगर कोई चीज़ मेरी ज़रूरत को पूरी कर सकती है, then I will say that कि वो particular product, वो particular commodity, वो particular चीज़ के अंदर utility है. Whatever that product may be, but if it has the capacity to satisfy my want, that particular product is having utility. In this chapter, we'll learn a few concepts. We'll see what is marginal utility. We'll see what is total utility. Then we'll come to a very important law by Professor Alfred Marshall, which is the law of diminishing marginal utility. We hope that by the end of this session, I sincerely hope that you will not have to look at your textbook. You will not have to view this video once again. Of course, you might need some sort of a revision, but say after a couple of months or just before your exams. Let's go forward. I hope you have a basic idea of graphs. You know what is the x-axis, you know what is the y-axis, you know what is the quadrant 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Okay. Now, what are the features of utility? That's the first point. First point is utility is a relative concept. What do you mean by relative? There is a very important saying, where there is a will, there is a way. I read somewhere, I think it was on some of my WhatsApp messages, that person said where there is a will, there are many relatives. So when I say relative, the first thing which will come to your mind is rishtedar. Okay? But in terms of economics, when I say that utility is a relative concept, it means it is not constant. It keeps on changing. How? First one. When do you wear woolen clothes? When it is very hot, when it is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay? In the afternoon, when you are at home, you are feeling very hot and you want to put on a nice sweater. No, of course not. When do you wear? You wear it during the winter season. So can I say that woolen clothes have more utility during the winter season and less utility during other times? That means that same kapda, that same product, that same commodity, वही चीज़ है, लेकिन अलग अलग लोगों के लिए अलग अलग टाइम पर अलग अलग मकामात पर utility would be different. Getting my point? That's the first point. That utility is relative. Okay? Second, I'm sorry, when I talk too much, my throat fails. Second point is utility is subjective. When I say subjective matter, it is different from person to person. My mommy might like Karela, I will not like Karela. इसमें Karela बेचारा क्या करेगा? That means utility is subjective. That same product might give different utility to one person. That same product might give different utility to another person. Okay? Let's suppose I am a doctor, right? When you say a doctor, and I ask a child, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो तो उसके पैराहन में आप क्या देखते हो? तो he will say वो गले में वायर डालेला रहता है, right? That is called as a stethoscope. If I am a doctor, that stethoscope has utility for me, but I give it to my son. Would that stethoscope have utility for him or her? No. It means that utility is subjective. What was the first point? Utility is relative. That's not constant. Utility is subjective. Differs from person to person. Third is utility is an ethically neutral concept. What do you mean by ethics? Akhlaq, adab, morality, morals. You remember we had a subject called moral science? Values, value science. Okay. Utility is not concerned with values. Utility is not concerned with ethics. Remember the first very point what I said. Utility is want, satisfying capacity of a commodity. चाहे वो commodity कुछ भी हो, अगर वो चीज मेरी जरूरत पूरी कर सकती है, then I will say that that particular thing is having utility. I stressed this, I remember clearly. I hope you also remember. That was because of this point. Now a knife, a chopper. You can cut a tomato or you can chop off somebody. I am not concerned. Economics is not concerned. So long as that particular commodity has that want satisfying capacity, it has utility. Both are wants. A murderer wants a knife to chop off somebody's head. Okay. Economics is not concerned with that. Right? I hope no police officer is listening to this. Sorry. Fourth point is utility is different from usefulness. Now this is a very minor thing. A thing can have utility but it might not be useful. Now how do you define usefulness? तुम्हारे नजदीक usefulness का बोलूँगा तो क्या? What mental picture do you have in mind? Anybody? How can we say that utility is different from usefulness? कोई चीज है जो तुम्हारी जरूरत को पूरा करती है लेकिन तुम्हारे लिए सही नहीं है, तुम्हारे लिए बेहतर नहीं है. Means what? If I am not getting sleep in the night, I want to have sleeping pills. Are sleeping pills useful for me? मेरे लिए अच्छे, सेहत के लिए अच्छे? No. But does that sleeping pill have utility for me? Yes. Because when I take that sleeping pill, I can sleep peacefully. Similarly, a drunkard might like to have a bottle. And he might like to go on and go on a ton. Does that drink, that liquor, that alcohol, that intoxicant, is it useful? Anybody in the world will say that alcohol is useful? No. But utility? Yes. So utility is different from usefulness. Fourth point. Fifth. Utility differs from pleasure. Now give me some examples. Okay, I will not elaborate. You only give me some examples जहाँ पे you get utility from something but it pains you. दर्द होता है. Anything? Okay, somebody wants to become a bodybuilder. Okay, he goes to the gym. Now what does the instructor tell him? ये मसल बनाने के लिए you should do this, और ये मसल बनाने के लिए you should do this, and he puts him into a fitness regime. कस के उसकी पिटाई करता है और he starts doing ow ow ow. Okay, तो उसको प्लेजर आ रहेगा वो टाइम पे, ये दुख रहा है वो दुख रहा है, घर पे आके हाथ पांव ढीले. But is it giving utility? Yes. बॉडी बनाना है ना, यूटिलिटी है. But the best example is, when you go to a doctor, does any child want to go to a doctor? No. नहीं मम्मी डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाने, वो अंकल सुई लगाएंगे. Does anybody like to have an injection? I have not come across anybody so far. जो ये बोले कि पप्पा चलो let's take an injection ना, like how you say let's have a candy, let's have an ice cream. So have you seen the papa let's go to the doctor, I want to have an injection? No. But if I am sick and the only remedy is I should have an injection, that means that injection is having utility for me. Is it giving me pleasure? No, not at all. Then हाउ इज यूटिलिटी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम सेटिस्फैक्शन? सेटिस्फैक्शन कब मिलता है? भेलपुरी के स्टॉल पे चले गए, पानी पूरी के स्टॉल पे चले गए, मस्त मस्त एकदम पानी पूरी, मीठा पानी, सादा पानी, या आप भेलपुरी बना रहे हो, या गॉन टू भेलपुरी का स्टॉल, वो पूरी लेगा, उसके ऊपर रगड़ा डालेगा, फिर ही विल पुट सम सेव एंड ऑल दैट, दही ही विल पुट, एंड ही विल पुट मूंग, एंड ही विल पुट मिर्ची, एंड यू जस्ट स्टैंड देयर, यू फील satisfied? Huh? No. That Bhelpuri has utility for me. I go to that Bhelpuri wale ka stall, I eat that Bhelpuri ka plate. So when I consume that Bhelpuri, that feeling what I have after consuming that Bhelpuri is satisfaction. So I can say it is the destruction of utility. Okay, so what comes first? Utility. Satisfaction comes last. बीच में क्या है? Consumption. Okay, so now we have seen 6 points. 7. Measurement of utility is hypothetical. What do you mean by hypothetical? Now there are 2 ways of measuring. One is cardinal, one is ordinal. Cardinal मतलब you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. बचपन में बोलते हैं ना 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, shut the door. 9, 10. Anybody remembers? The big fat hen. Yes, kudos. Okay, now utility is ordinal. It is not cardinal. मतलब मैं ये नहीं बता सकता कि ये भेलपुरी खाने से मेरे को 35 यूटिलिटी मिली, उसके बाद में मैं दूसरी प्लेट खाया तो मेरे को 28 यूटिलिटी मिली, उसके बाद तीसरी खाया तो मेरे को 15 मिली, एंड आई वाज फुल्ली टोन एंड आई डोंट वांट टू हैव एनीथिंग मोर, और उसके बाद में मेरा फ्रेंड ने मेरे को जबरदस्ती खिलाया तो मेरे को 0 यूटिलिटी मिली. आई कैन नॉट से दैट. आई कैन ओनली से ज्यादा मिली, कम मिली, कि ज्यादा अच्छा था, वो इतना अच्छा था, अभी बस हो गया, आई एम सेटिस्फाइड. दैट इज इट. आई कैन नॉट मेजर. Okay, it can utility be negative. It can happen that इतना मैं फुल हो गया, आपको कोई बंदा बोलेगा ना यार खा ले, पर नहीं यार नहीं चाहिए, बस I'm full. But suddenly another friend comes, hey Sadik, you are not having bhelpuri, man, come have something with me. I will say अरे बाप रे यार कहाँ से आ गया ये? I don't want to have it, लेकिन जबरदस्ती लेना पड़ रहा है. So that is called as negative utility. I don't want to have it. It is not giving me any utility. So it is called as negative utility, or it can also be called as disutility. ठीक. 8th point. Utility is multi-purpose. One commodity can satisfy more than one want. It can be put to more than one use. The best example is electricity. What can you not run on electricity? You will have to think about it. अरे यार कौन सी चीज electricity में नहीं चलती? For a moment. In short, there are many things which run on electricity. So many wants are getting satisfied. So that same electricity is satisfying various wants. It's giving various utility to different people. पंखा भी चल रहा है, मुझे गर्म हो रहा है, पंखे से मैं feeling cool. अंधेरा है रूम के अंदर, light on है because of electricity, I am feeling cool. Okay? किस चीज की वजह से? Because of that same electricity. Point number 9. Utility depends upon the intensity of want. जिस शिद्दत से तुम्हारे को वो चीज चाहिए उतनी ज्यादा तुम्हारे को वो यूटिलिटी मिलेगी. You are having a football match. Anybody has played football? Almost everybody. Okay. Football match में कितने players होते हैं? 22 और 11. 11 क्रिकेट में होते हैं. 22 foolish players running after one ball, trying to put it in इसका गोल या उसका गोल. This game is called as football. है ना? Okay. Now which is your favorite player? Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi. यही 2 मेन आते हैं, ऐसी घूमते रहेंगी बात. Right? What happens if half time भागते 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 तुम थक गए और तुम जब आते हो लाइन पे, you have seen so many football matches, right? Take any sport for example. जब इंटरवल होता है, that person comes during the interval. What does it take? First, पानी. Why? He's tired after running so long. But उसका कोच सामने बैठा है. Does he drink? He does not. Why? Intensity. भागते 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 उसको इतनी प्यास लगी है कि उसको पानी चाहिए. तो at that particular point of time, when he is drinking water, which is giving him, terrific utility. Similarly, तुम धूप में से भटकते भटकते घर पे आते हो. First thing you want to have is nice glass of cold sharbat. It is giving you more utility. Same thing if you're sitting at home, nice AC चालू है, somebody comes, your mom comes. अरे बेटा तू 3 घंटे से एक सरी का पढ़ रहा है, ले एक गिलास शरबत पी ले. I'm sorry, I'm just joking. कोई पढ़ता नहीं 3 घंटा, I know that. But still ख्वाबों की दुनिया है. ले बेटा एक गिलास शरबत ले ले. Now tell me friends, will this glass of sharbat, when I am at home sitting in an AC room, give me that same utility which that football player had when we had come to the sidelines during interval time? No, not at all. The utility which that football player will get at the time of interval after drinking water will be way too much, too high. Right? It depends upon the intensity of the want. Next, utility is the basis of demand. We'll study further that this concept of utility, we'll try to align it with the price and we'll try to derive the law of demand. The law of demand will come in the next chapter, but abhi ke liye sirf itna कि the concept of utility gives rise to the law of demand. I hope this much is clear. We'll take a small topic after this. That is types of utility. There are various types of utility. Again, what is utility? Want, satisfying capacity of a commodity. We have seen 10 points in that. First is relative. Relative means it varies from time to time, place to place. Woolen clothes have utility during winter, not in summer. Similarly, we say that utility is a subjective concept. It means that that same product might give different utilities to different people. Okay? I give the example of a stethoscope. The third point is utility is an ethically neutral concept. We took the example of a knife. You can use a knife for cutting vegetables. You can use a knife for cutting somebody also. The fourth point we did was utility is different from usefulness. We took the example of alcohol. It gives utility to a drunkard, but is it useful? No. Fifth point, utility differs from pleasure. I am sick. Doctor says, Sadiq, you will need to have an injection. I will have to pierce your pump. I said, no, my God. You बीमार पड़े ना घर पे, ठीक हो रहे हैं तो सुई लगाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. Does it give me pleasure? No. Sixth point, utility is different from satisfaction. We took the example of bhel puri. I had utility. I went to the bhel puri wala. I consumed it. When that utility got destroyed, I got satisfied and I gave a big tikar. Remember that? Okay, this is the sixth point. The seventh point was measurement of utility is hypothetical. I cannot count it in numbers. Cardinal measurement not possible. 10, 9, 2, 1, 27, 13, 41. Not at all. I can only say ज़्यादा या कम. ठीक है. Eighth point, utility is multi-purpose. We took the example of electricity. I can run so many appliances on it. Ninth point, what? It depends upon the intensity of what? A football player versus me sitting in an AC room. Both of us are drinking a glass of water. It will give more utility to him. 10th point was utility is the basis for the law of demand. 10 points. Okay. Now, types of utility. The first point is form utility. Form utility, when I say that, let's say there is a log of wood. लकड़ा, मैं पेड़ को काटा, लकड़ा पड़ा है मेरे सामने, उसकी भी कुछ यूटिलिटी तो होगी ना. मसलन कोई मुसाफिर जा रहा है, उसको थकान हो गई तो लॉग ऑफ वुड पे सर रख के सो जाएगा, कोई टेका ले लेगा. बट इफ आई कन्वर्ट दैट सेम लॉग ऑफ वुड इनटू अ वुडन फर्नीचर, if I make a chair out of it, if I make a table out of it, then obviously that utility changes. Okay, so I am creating utility in that. A customer doesn't come to my shop to purchase a log of wood. He comes to my shop to purchase a chair. So this is form utility. Next is place utility. Apples are very nice in Himachal Pradesh, but they are demanded more in Bombay. I transport the apples from Himachal Pradesh to Bombay. I transport mangoes from Ratnagiri to Bombay. So I am creating what? Place utility. This is created by transport. Shifting goods from the area of abundance to the area where it is required more, that is place utility. The third point is service utility. These are the services which are provided by professionals. For example, doctor providing his service, this is service utility. A lawyer, service utility. A nurse, service utility. The fourth point is knowledge utility. Now, how does knowledge create utility? I will take a particular thing, or I will like to purchase a particular thing when I have knowledge about its product. For example, let's say I have a game. There is a game in a store. There is a book in a store. Harry Potter series. Right? Now, when I read about it, when I acquired knowledge about it, then I wanted to purchase. It created utility. I want satisfying capacity. I wanted to go and purchase that particular book. Now, when I read that book, I wanted to go and watch the movie. It is because I had knowledge about that particular thing. That is knowledge utility. Clear? We have seen 4 types of utilities so far. Form. Second was place. Third was service. Fourth was knowledge utility. Right? Now, 5th type of utility is possession utility. I go to the market to purchase some particular thing. So it's not in my possession. Okay. Now, when I buy a particular product from that fairy wala, suppose he's selling mangoes. मैं उससे 1-2 किलो आम ले लिया. So ownership is transferred from that seller to me. I can consume it now. So this is an example of possession utility. उसका मालिक कौन है? किसकी मिल्कियत में वो चीज है? Who is possessing that particular thing? That is possession utility. Next is time utility. Okay, now you will watch this when your exams are nearer. You won't watch this during your vacations. A simple example of time utility. Right? Crash courses, time utility at that point of time. Umbrellas, only during the rainy season. Woolen clothes, only during winter season. Why do I wear woolen clothes? During the winter season. Rest of the time, पता नहीं, कोई बैग के अंदर मम्मी अच्छी रीत से उसको घड़ी करके कोई बैग के अंदर डाल के, वो जो पलंग होते हैं ना बड़े बड़े, उसके अंदर जगह होती है सेफली रखने की चीज़ें, उसके अंदर डाल देते हैं. Then you bring it out when the rain starts, you bring out the umbrellas. When the winter starts, you bring out your sweaters. Right? Similarly with your shoes and all those accessories. That is what time utility. Quickly, we have seen 6 types of utilities so far. Form utility, converting a log of wood into a chair. Second, place utility, transporting apples from Himachal Pradesh to Bombay. Third, service utility, the service is rendered by advocates, lawyers, doctors, teachers, etc. Fourth, knowledge utility, by gaining knowledge, you go and buy a particular product, you know more about that thing, that is knowledge utility. Fifth is possession utility, ownership is transferred from the seller to the buyer, to yourself, to the example of mangoes. And last is time utility, to the example of textbooks during the time of exams, or raincoats or umbrellas, which are more utility during the rainy season. इसके बाद में the concepts which we'll have, they will be a little more technical. So what we'll do now is, we will end this session here and we'll start a new session, so that those who have watched this, they can take a break. And then when you come back, I want all of you to have some rough book in front of you with, if possible, take a scale, take a pencil, rubber, or forget it. If you have a rough book, just take a pen, pencil, whatever, whichever things you're comfortable, and a scale and a rough book, which you can do it, you can throw it out, because you have your textbook as a resource, right? Okay. So what we have seen so far, we have seen utility, one satisfying capacity of a commodity. We have seen features of utility, we have seen 10 features. After that, we did forms of utility. In that, we have seen 6 types of utilities. In the next lecture, we will see what is total utility, what is marginal utility, and we will see a very important law, that is the law of diminishing marginal utility. I will be taking up nearly 40-45 minutes, because that law is very nice. It will be, mind-blowing session, and I want all of you to have a fresh mind, and please come with a book and a rough, not a fair book, rough book, right? Okay. So, can I take your leave? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.